Hi, and welcome to this course. My name is Maurizio De Angelis and I'm a digital and traditional artist based in London. I created this course to teach you how to paint in Photoshop using the most basic brushes that come with the software, the hard round and the soft round. We can't go any more basic than this. Using only these two brushes, we're going to achieve something like this, I promise. Once you learn this technique, you can then take on any projects and illustrations because what I'm teaching here is a method. So if you want to learn this fundamental method and become a professional artist, this is the course for you. Talking about me, I have a background in traditional oil painting and drawing. I've then taken my knowledge to the digital world, becoming a scientific illustrator and 3D modeler, working in London for VFX companies in the advertisement and film industry. So in these 12 lessons, I will guide you through the painting and blending process, and you discover that it's not about the brush or even the software you use, but more about the way you approach painting. Right, let's get started.